वफाकी वज़ीर IT शज़ा फातिमा ख्वाजा का तकरीब से ख़िताब जारी है, आपको बरह रास्त ले चलेंगे।
अब ट्रेनिंग्स थी कि कितने बच्चों को उसमें से नौकरी मिली, कितने बच्चों ने कारोबार शुरू किया, और फिर हम जिस तरह से ट्रेनिंग सिलेक्ट करते थे वो भी पूरा प्रोसेस जो है वो चेंज हो गया। सो वी इमीडिएटली शिफ्टेड टूवर्ड्स डिमांड बेस्ड ट्रेनिंग्स, कि जहाँ पे हमें अब डिमांड नज़र आना शुरू हुई और इंडस्ट्री के साथ एक बहुत मैसिव कोलैबोरेशन, मल्टीपल स्टेक होल्डर कंसल्टेशंस के बाद जो है हमने अपने तमाम ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स को उस तरीके से रिवाइज़ किया। हमने अपनी RFPs को रिवाइज़ किया, अपने PC1s को रिवाइज़ किया, ताकि अब जो है उसका एक हिस्सा बने कि नॉट जस्ट द नंबर ऑफ ट्रेनीज बट एक्चुअली जो ग्रेजुएशन के बाद एम्प्लॉयमेंट है उनके नंबर्स के ऊपर जो है वो उसकी सक्सेस या फेलियर प्रोग्राम की जो है वो मेजर की जाए। तो while we were going through this process, one fine day, Brigadier Nadir showed up with Farhan in my office, and यही एक proposition, value proposition लेके आए कि this is direct access to market. और PSEB का भी with Faisal Jedi साहब coming in, we're kind of reshaping कि हमारे PSEB जो है वो कैसे ऑपरेट करेगा और इसके क्या टारगेट्स होंगे। फैसल जई साहब ने खुद ये टारगेट सेट करके मुझे बताया है, और हम आप जानते हैं सारे कि अभी हम PSEB की और इग्नाइट की इंटरनेशनल कंसल्टेंट्स के साथ मिल के वर लुकिंग एट के एक मॉडर्न डे और मॉडर्न इकॉनमी जो है उसमें उनकी नई शेप, उनके नया स्ट्रक्चर क्या होना चाहिए। तो वहाँ पे भी हमने डिस्कशन की कि PSEB जो है नीड्स टू स्टार्ट ओपनिंग मार्केट्स फॉर आवर इंडस्ट्री, और मकसद भी यही था कि पाकिस्तान की मार्केटिंग हो। और मगर अब एक डेडिकेटेड एफर्ट जो बिज़नेस डेवलपमेंट का इनका डिपार्टमेंट है वो उसका एक माइंडसेट शिफ्ट करना है टुवर्ड्स गिविंग एक्सेस टू मार्केट्स टू आवर इंडस्ट्री। एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट एफर्ट्स दैट हैज़ कम आउट ऑफ दैट कि हमने इंटरनेशनल मार्केट्स कैसे खोलनी है। यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑलरेडी इज़ आवर लार्जेस्ट एक्सपोर्ट पार्टनर। 62% of our exports are to the United States when you talk about tech exports, and alhamdulillah where year on year CAGR जो है हमारा export growth का वो that's over 20% now alhamdulillah, so a very consistent growth। वो हमने उसको accelerate 30% पे कैसे लेके जाना है, and उसी लेंस से हम PSEB की भी restructuring देख रहे हैं कि इस growth को further accelerate कैसे करना है। So US being already the largest market that we have in terms of our tech trade, I think this really will, like I said, we have to accelerate this particular project will help us accelerate our growth, our export growth in the US। और जो numbers अभी फैसल साहब भी जिनका जिक्र कर रहे थे, हमने we've invested almost 6 to 7 million rupees in these particular trainings, और जिससे हमारे ये 74 कंपनीज जो हैं इन्होंने, आप सब यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं, आपने ट्रेनिंग ली है। मगर मैं पहले भी ये कह रही थी, और वज़ीर आज़म साहब की, शहबाज शरीफ साहब की हर मीटिंग पे ख़ास तौर पे जो फाइनेंस या प्लानिंग के साथ मीटिंग होती है, वेयर ऑल ऑफ अस आर डिविजन्स एंड मिनिस्टर्स वेयर यू नो रियली स्क्रैम्बलिंग फॉर बजट्स, तो वहाँ पर हमेशा वज़ीर आज़म साहब का एक ही बात है कि जो यूथ के ऊपर जो बजट लगता है वो कभी भी खर्चा नहीं होता। इट्स नॉट, वी डोंट लुक एट इट एज एक्सपेंडिचर, वी ऑलवेज लुक एट इट एज इन्वेस्टमेंट। और जो पब्लिक मनी जो हमारे यूथ पे या हमारी कंपनीज पे या हमारी कैपेबिलिटी बिल्डिंग के ऊपर खर्च होता है वो हमेशा वो हुकूमत पाकिस्तान की सरमायाकारी है, और लोगों के अंदर जो सरमायाकारी होती है उसका रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट जो होता है वो सबसे ज़्यादा होता है। और ये एग्ज़ाम्पल है ये ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम कि जहाँ हमने 60-70 लाख रुपए ख़र्च किए हैं अपनी इन कंपनीज़ को ट्रेन करने में, वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी जो है वो हमें कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स की सूरत में रिज़ल्ट्स नज़र आने शुरू हो गए हैं जो डॉलर टर्म्स में पाकिस्तान को देंगे। एंड दिस इज़ फॉर फरहान एंड ऑल द ट्रेनीज हु आर सिटिंग हेयर। जैसे कि अभी COP साहब ने भी कहा, देखिए आपका टारगेट जो है ना, जो फरहान ने मुझे आके प्रेजेंटेशन दी थी या ब्रिगेडियर नादिर ने दी थी, मैंने इनसे कहा था कि आपकी the platform that you've built is so good. that I should not have the need to fund it. और मैं मीडिया के ज़रिए और वो तमाम कंपनीज जो देख रही हैं, सुन रही हैं, मैं encourage करूँगी कि this little investment that you will put in training your companies or the people in your company to be able to access the sled market in the US is going to give you many folds return. There's only so much that we can invest. और हमने पब्लिक मनी से ये एक पायलट प्रोजेक्ट आप कह लें रन किया, और मैंने फरहान से ये कहा था कि अगर हमें मुझे नज़र आ जाएं कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स जो कि हमारे लोगों को मिल जाएं, या एक्सपोर्ट्स जो हमें फिज़िकल टर्म्स में नज़र आनी शुरू हो जाएं, तो you know, all out support for the project. And hopefully in the next 1 year we're really looking forward to at least a few $100 million of contracts. जो हमारी companies यहाँ पे बैठी हैं इनको ये contracts मिलें. We would like to have a tracer on this 6 months down the lane कि हमारी ये जो companies हैं इनको कितना फ़ायदा हुआ, कितनी real contract value terms में. And if it turns out to be what we're expecting it to be, तो फिर 2 साल में you're replacing IMF. Because हम 1 साल में $1 billion लेते हैं, $2 billion लेते हैं. So this should be, you know, a replacement for the whole program. And given that the sled market is over $1.5 trillion, $2 billion, $3 billion, $10 billion for the 7th largest population in the world, जो कि tech savvy भी हैं, सारी दुनिया में सॉफ्टवेयर एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, दुनिया के बड़े बड़े बैंक्स चला रहे हैं आज बैठ के बच्चे यहाँ से, रिमोट वर्कर्स हमारे $1 अरब से ज़्यादा लेके आ रहे हैं, तो कंपनीज तो are much more stronger than that. These numbers should not seem big to you in a very targeted market जहाँ पे already $1.5 trillion budgeted है एक साल के अंदर. So you know we're talking about 1% of the whole budget that is there. So अगर हम सब मिल के, after the government is also investing, supporting, we have organizations like these, we have our partners sitting in the US, my expat community है जो हमें बहुत support करती है, तो उसके बावजूद अगर हम उस budget का 1% पाकिस्तान में भी नहीं ला सकेंगे, तो that's going to be a disappointment. So ये जो है आपने, you have to keep big targets in mind. You have to understand कि Pakistan with all its challenges, हर बंदा technology को one way or another, not just software as a service, but also in terms of digital transformation. आप सब लोग जो यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं, हमारी जो legacy industry है, हमारी जो manufacturing है, हमारी जो trade है, हमारी जो agriculture है, उसकी भी सारी जो इस वक्त competitiveness और sustainability है, वो technological transformation से ही है. हम अपने legacy processes से अपनी ये industries, manufacturing, जो हमारी legacy economy है, उसको मज़ीद बहुत देर तक नहीं चला पाएंगे. So it is at the end of the day in the hands of all of you who are sitting here, who run significantly large, medium-sized tech companies, कि आप, you have to step up. And you have to look at, and you have to...
They would run those. This is how we started. But then things started changing, even during the 4 or 5 years that I was here. Supposed to be here for 4 years, took us 5.5. We were just slow learners, I believe. And we started, calculators were there, and we had programmable calculators. Being a student of civil engineering, I had a passion for structural engineering at that time. And I was just jotting down the calculators or the programmable calculators during the few years at MD that I had acquired. It was the Texas Instrument, it was TI-58C or TI-59, I've forgotten the number I had. Then Casio came up with a pocket computer. It was the Casio 702P. And I remember using that, and then Sharp at that time came up with a machine called PC-15, and it was a big handheld, which used to program in BASIC. From those days, and we didn't need to go to the computer center at all, because these small machines on our hand would do more than those big mainframe computers. And that is how computing is moved. And today, we were in a room where you were connected to the world. So it's not just peers, and you can compete with the world. So things have changed, and it's good that I'm here at the Energy University to see this change over the years. I'm grateful to Google for having this first center here. What I'd like to do is, and I'll commit the Government of Sindh's resources for this, to replicate this in all public sector universities in the province. Apart from that, we have built a youth center in each district. And the youth center, the objective of this youth center is was a place where the youth of the city or the district could go and have opportunities to play games, interact, have a library, have a computer center. And what I propose is, and I'll ask the IT Minister to work on this, to have a Google Gemini Center in each of these youth development centers. We've got 30 of them. We've got the space, and this is, we can take this to the next level. We've started with Energy University, but we can really take it forward. In terms of the Government of Sindh's initiatives towards getting our youth interested in IT, giving them the platforms, giving them the resources. We started the People's Information, what was called People's PITP, People's Technology Program. And we have, last year we had allocated 500 million rupees for it. And because of its success, we added another 900 million rupees, and we spent 1.4 billion rupees last year on this. This year, which starts today, the financial year, the allocation for the PITP is 2 billion rupees. And inshallah, I'm sure that, I forgot one story. After those small, handheld machines which we got in our second year of our studies here, I got a computer which nobody would even know. I think people of my age would probably know. It was a Commodore 64. And you had to hook it up with the television, and in order to store your program, it came with a cassette player. People don't even know what cassettes are any longer. It came with a cassette player, and once you program it, you'd have to transfer it to the cassette tapes and take it back. And then a colleague of ours went out and he got an Apple II. I think it was Apple IIe at that time. And he would do wonders with it. So this is how fast. I also consider myself not that old. I'm old, but not that old. But I've seen all this in my life. So thank you very much. It is very important for us because there's no dearth of talent in our country. It's only opportunities that we've not been able to give them. And inshallah, with centers like this, the opportunity will be there. They'll be connected to the world. They don't have to. I was in a discussion earlier today, and I said, Umar had made a statement in his opening remarks that he said was that we just need to build the foundation, and then the student can learn this. And we were in a room where all the university vice chancellors were sitting, and I told him that you're putting all the universities out of business because the students would no longer, they just need to have a strong foundation. Because what I understand is that, and I've given this example before in that room earlier, what I learned of AI a few decades ago, it was defined as to teach computers to do things at which humans at the moment are better. That was the first definition that struck me, I remember. And give you an example, computers a few years ago, or even now, that matter, can do a 6-digit multiplication or division in nanoseconds. Humans can't. But a computer could never tell you, if you sit in front of a computer and ask him am I, he would not be able to tell you, but somebody who knows me, a human, would immediately know. So what I did just now, sitting here, is I got my Gemini account a few moments ago. So I posted my picture and I said, "Who's this?" And Gemini came back, the person pictured in image is Syed Murad Ali Shah, he's the Chief Minister of Sindh. So I went on and I said, tell me more about him. And it's given me half a page. The first sentence is wrong. And the reason that it is wrong is because that's the information that is floating around. My date of birth is 11th of August. But somehow somebody wrote it the American way as 9/11. 8/11, sorry. So, public records show my date of birth is November 8th. And I got a lot of birthday messages on November 8th also. So, again, AI is still not perfect. It can make mistakes. And that is where you need humans.
After one more month, I think you will see the changes.
So, I'm grateful these modern Chromebook devices, which are cloud-based ecosystems, will enable collaborative learning and innovation. And I'm sure that who learned this, she's a daughter of a rickshaw driver, and she made so much. She made money and she bought a new rickshaw for her father. So these are stories that we want to replicate, and inshallah, the youth are the future. All we need to give them are the skills, the opportunity, and that is what they'll take this country to the next level. So once again, thank you very much. It's a pleasure as always to be here, and inshallah I look forward to opening more of these Google centers around the province, in public sector universities and in our youth centers. Thank you very much.
वज़ीर आला सिंध मुराद अली शाह का तकरीब से खिताब जारी था। उनका कहना था कि नौजवान अब आसानी टेक्नोलॉजी के ज़रिए दुनिया का मुकाबला कर सकते हैं। AI सेहत और तालीम के शोबे में कई तब्दीलियाँ ला रहा है। हमारे मुल्क में टैलेंट की कमी नहीं, बस लोगों को सही मौके देने चाहिए। हमारी कोशिश है नौजवानों को सही प्लेटफॉर्म फराहम किया जाए। AI परफेक्ट नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत सारी चीज़ों में तलबा के लिए आसानियाँ पैदा की हैं। जदीद टेक्नोलॉजीज़ को हुकूमती निज़ाम का हिस्सा बना रहे हैं। वज़ीर आला